Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the PIN or password on your Android phone. First, on your Android phone, once it is unlocked, take your finger and swipe up. Tap on the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Next, tap where it says Screen Lock and Biometrics. In my case, it says PIN. Enter the current PIN that you use to unlock your Android phone. Hit Continue. Now you can choose whether to set a new PIN, either a 4 or 6 digit, a password, a pattern, a swipe, or I wouldn't recommend it, but you can choose none. I'm going to choose PIN at the top, and it says remember this PIN, and it recommends at least 6 digits. Let's, for instance, enter 1, 2, 3, 4. It does allow me to hit continue, but it would recommend 6 digits, so I can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hit OK. And it does say that it is easily guessed. If it does prompt you that this is easily guessed, you might want to choose something else. I'm going to hit use anyway, and then I'm going to enter it in again to confirm and tap OK. Just like that, I have a new lock screen PIN. If I lock my phone and unlock it and swipe, I can enter in that new lock screen PIN to unlock. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.